Quick video for a single implant placement, site number 19. First we're going to do is, we've already meshed the two together. We're going to go ahead and plot our nerve, going into nerve, detect a nerve. Just clicking once, it actually did a very good job there. So then now what we have to do is just place our implant, clicked on mandible. I like to place 5mm implants, 10 ideally if I can. Let's see what that looks like, cross section. A little too close to my nerve. And we'll wax up a tooth at the same time. Keep an angulation the same as seen in the x-rays. So what you want to do is, if you want to move it like this, you need to click the left and right mouse button at the same time. And this is obviously too small. So grabbing the blue or purple and expanding it. And then if it's not tall enough, grab the blue and then rotate it. That's adequate. You can see it's the abutment is coming out the lingual. You see this line here. So now what we got to do is manipulate the implant, and it obviously moved. So this looks good here. This is my favorite view. That to me is sufficient. We'll look at it to restore. Let's lock this implant. So it's a little bit off with the mesial cant. So what we'll do is in here, unlock it, rotate a little bit more. That's the tooth. Let's grab the implant. Alright, so that's better. That's perfect. There we go. Go back to the teeth. Okay. Go back into implant. It needs to be rotated a little bit more to get it perfect. There you go. All right, cool. I'm good with that. Rotating around. It's definitely too deep, so we'll have to. It's definitely too deep, so we'll have to place an 8mm implant in here. So replace 8mm. What I'll do is I'll lower this until it gets to 2mm and gives me the warning sign. So I'll just drag it up right before that. Put on pilot drill kit, turn on our abutment, turn the tooth off, and then look at it again, and that looks perfect. So now we'll draw our surgical guide. So let's go into guide panel, model, draw curve. And if this messes you up, you can just turn off the original CT scan. So back into model, back into guide panel, draw curve, hold down shift. You can see what we did here was take a triple tray impression, which is not my favorite. Let's see, edit curve. All right, there we go. So create surgical guide. There we have it. So now all I have to do is just save this and then export this to our desktop. So we do file, export data, turn all the nerves off, and we don't want to export the model, we just want to export the surgical guide, save data, and that's it.